Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to turn on 3D buildings and change map styles on this car. So at the very beginning you need to open the navigation. You can do this on two ways, by using the navigation widget or by using the navigation button at the bottom of the screen. Let me do this that way. As you can see now, you should see the similar view. Let's choose here the menu button right here and select here the settings. If you open the settings, you can now choose the navigation view. And as you can see from navigation view, you can choose here a few things. You can set up the day map colors. As you can see, it's the classic, vintage day color, natural classic, grace day. So there is a few that you can select. You can choose night map colors as well, and here we've got some other options. All right, you can choose the landmarks, buildings, and has 3D, so you can add deeper texture shading and elevation models to the map graphics when you are exploring areas with hills and mountains. Let me just do this as well. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.